2020? Well, 2020 started good, the usual stuff. Traveling the world in my private plane, clubbing in Vegas, sailing all around the world. Everywhere I went, girls were screaming my name. Nah.
As this coronavirus spreads, the most reported coronavirus, well over.
And then there was Corona. So after selling a few homes in my real estate business, what really did happen in 2020? Let's take a look back.
Oh, can you feel it? Oh, bigger than the sky.
Oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans. I see oceans. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans. I see oceans.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on my next video.